Hello. Hey guys, welcome back to Choo Choo Park. I have something to show you, another Jones exclusive. Or I don't know if it suits with the right title. Special release, another special release from Jones. This is a Zero Cola, kind of like Pepsi Zero or Coke Zero. This is a special zero sugar Jones soda, craft soda. Jones already knew cola couldn't be the same without cane sugar, so we developed this special release zero cola flavor from the ground up. So yeah, this actually has zero sugar. I mean, even without sugar, it can't be worse than Coke or Pepsi. See, this is supposed to be a twist off, but got him. See if this will smell. Huh? Very faint Coke smell. Oh, nothing else to do but to give it a shot. Salute. I will say I wish this was cold. It's not warm, but it's not, because it's got a paper label. I didn't want to put in the cooler, so it's not as cold as it could be or should be. But I have another one. I'll probably put it in there. That's not half bad. That's not half bad at all. Probably on the weaker side of Jones sodas, but again, it has no cane sugar, which we all know makes it better. But yeah, that's pretty good. I'd give it an 8 out of 10. Pretty solid zero cola. So yeah, there it is. Pretty simple. I found it at Smith's. You should be able to find it somewhere that sells Jones soda, which is proof, by the way, that it's soda and not pop. Okay. Let's start that shit in the comments. I'm kidding. Don't watch this video. Hey guys. So I just want to do a little follow up because I want to give this a fair shake. Though I did quite like it, I want to make sure I try it cold too. So it has been chilling. Woo! You might be able to see some of the frost on the bottle. So here we go. Salute. Wow. And this, it might be because I am addicted to sweet stuff. This doesn't taste as sweet as, well, definitely not sweet as Pepsi, but I don't know. I think Coke might be a little sweeter. And I think I prefer this over that as well. Definitely got about 2 of those. So I can try it cold as well. I probably should have tried it cold. But at the time I was filming, my cooler was pretty much all water. And I didn't want to ruin the label. Last night, after work, I emptied it out, put ice back in it. So that's good. But yeah, wow, it's better, much better cold. And I think I do prefer it over like Coke Zero or Pepsi Zero Sugar, whatever. I think it is actually better. It's not with cane sugar. Uh, Sucralose. I use that. So, yeah. I just wanted to try it cold. so I can give it 100% shake. Though, again, I did like it beforehand. So, yeah, back to the video. Anyway, that's all for now. If you have something I should try, put it down in the comments below. I'll give it a shot. If I can find it and it's not too expensive. Other than that, thanks for watching. Please thumbs up the video. And if you'd be so kind to share it with your friends. And until the next video, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.